So, here she is. Okay, so she's got a new bed. She's got a new toy. She's got a Kong that she's like licking. Get your toy. Oh my God, she's already spoiled already. Here, get your toy. Look at that. Get that. Get that toy. Get it. Get him. Get the toy. Get him. The toy. Get that. No, not me. Get the toy. Get the toy right there. Here. Here. Get it. Oh, she's a maniac. So much new stuff. Oh, the bed might be a little bit too small for her. I'm not sure. But not really when she curls up. I can bring it back if it doesn't work. Zelda, what are you doing? You good dog? You good dog?